This video will give you an honest opinion about the Godora L1800 DTF printer, including both its pros and cons. I have provided the link to this printer in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. The Godora L1800 is an A3 direct-to-film printer designed for both dark and light clothing, offering a flexible solution for small businesses and creative users. One of its standout features is the advanced air suction system, which helps to keep the film wrinkle-free during printing, ensuring consistent and high-quality output. This feature, combined with rapid ink fixation technology, makes sure the ink bonds well to the transfer film, which is key for durability and vibrant colors on textiles. A major advantage of this printer is its white ink circulation system. This function prevents the white ink from settling or clogging the printhead, a common problem in many DTF printers. It also has an automatic cleaning function and ink agitation, which maintain the printhead's performance even during complex or detailed prints. This means fewer interruptions and less maintenance hassle, which is a big plus if you plan to use the printer regularly. The Godora L1800 is compatible with a wide variety of materials, everything from cotton and polyester to leather, hats, shoes, and more, making it versatile for different customization projects. Whether you're printing t-shirts, jeans, or craft items, this machine can handle the job well. The user interface is straightforward and easy to learn, which means you don't have to be an expert to start printing. Plus, it comes with a toner cartridge and an oven for curing prints, which is very convenient. On the downside, the printer relies on USB connectivity only, which might limit options for wireless or network printing setups. Some users might find the initial setup and calibration a bit challenging without prior experience, although the support team is available to assist remotely. Also, while the printer is designed to reduce jams, occasional feed issues can occur if the film isn't loaded carefully. Overall, the Godora L1800 offers solid print quality and dependable performance for its price range. Its features like white ink circulation and automatic cleaning set it apart from many competitors, especially for those wanting consistent results with minimal fuss. If you're looking for a reliable DTF printer that balances ease of use with professional-grade output, this model deserves serious consideration. Just be prepared to spend some time on setup and learn a bit about the process to get the best from it.